Hello, this is the introduction of our oil-free air compressor. This is actually a small machine. The part number for this machine is 102-1006. The model of this machine is GA550-8 liter. So the power of this machine is 0.5 kW and 0.75 HP. The working pressure of this air compressor is 8 bar. So, the function of this machine is very simple. It's actually don't need any installation. Just plug the electricity plug into this electricity panel and started connecting to the power. Okay, then just pull the starting switch by pull up. Then the machine started. It's working very quietly. It's very suitable for small pneumatic tools like nail guns. It's working very quiet. Then after it working while, the pressure of so all the compressed air is now coming into the tank. Then the pressure of the tank is keep climbing up. It's going up. Once it's hitting 8 bar, then the machine will stop automatically. So now it's almost 7 bar. Okay. Once it's hitting 8 bar, the machine stops. Then, in case we use the compressed air from the tank, this is the vent of the compressed air. So assume we use it. Okay, we just open up the switch a little bit. Okay, so the air goes out. So the pressure of the tank goes down. Now it's coming from 8 to 7. So to 6, once it's hitting 5 bar, the machine will start it automatically. So it's beginning to working again. So the pressure of the air compressor is increasing. So it's very automatic, and you just put there and it will work automatically, and you don't have to carry it. It's very easy and very easy to use. Actually, we have also this is the electronic valve. So when there is a electricity outage, it will vent the compressed air from the motor automatically, and so when the air comes back, it will work properly again. So it's very easy and very automatic.